So black folks, like I said, you need to wake up. This is what you call the slave barrier. Explore the U.S. elite ties to slavery. You're going to be really, you ain't going to believe this. But Obama is the senators and representatives right here. When they go to these presidents, Obama is one. Obama is a president. So these is all this. Elizabeth Warren. She got slaves. She had 14 slaves. Elizabeth Warren. Okay? Now, the next person I want y'all to see on the list. These are all the slaves' names that she had. It's Elizabeth Warren. So y'all can understand why she don't want reparation. Understand. Black folks, I want you to understand. I'll give you some education on black history. But see, white history, it ain't no black history without white history. And it ain't no white history without black history. So, now, these are the representatives. Here's another one. John Burr, Richard Burr. Okay. Tom Cotton, John Courtney. They owned 2 slaves. He owned 6 slaves, his people. So he's a senator for Arkansas. And he's a national for Townsend. I couldn't, it went too fast. But like I said, this is not a game. Now, her right here, Tammy Ducksworth. Her people had 4 slaves. She says she didn't know it, but she know it now. These is her slaves. So these people got direct money because they direct descendants to slaves, and they all in Congress.